Give me your thoughts, feedback, criticism down in the comment section down below. And by Monday, I would like to see 1,100 subscribers. I think we're at 1,092. Let's check it out actually right now. Let me go to my good old phone. Can't see the password, guys. Whoop, whoop. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Look at that dashboard. We have 1,092 subscribers. And look at this. Your estimated revenue for the last 28 days, $107.49. Not bad, huh? Speaking about monetizing and estimated revenue, I'm going to do all my subscribers a favor. You know what I'm going to do, Steven? I am going to disable monetization for the first 48 hours every time I post a video. Therefore, because my true hardcore subscribers who are loyal to me, there's 89% of people who view my videos who are not subscribers. So that 11% will have an edge and will not have to watch commercials. No ads on my videos. That's a new rule effective today. Every new post that I post on YouTube for the first 48 hours, the monetization will be disabled. But I want real love from the community. I want 10 million subscribers. Wow. That's gangster. You're generous. I'll take 10 million. I'll take 1 million. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed weekend. Swapping out this compressor. Just blew off the high pressure side coming out of the compressor. We're going to heat this side up. Pull that back as well. Get some heat on that braze joint. Go in and out. Take the old one out. Not yet. Come on, baby. It wants to go. Almost. I'm gonna have to unbolt that compressor, move it over. Alright. Got the compressor unbolted. Don't lose those. This 5-ton condenser is not made for me to be inside of, I'll tell you that for sure. Maybe little Kelvin could fit in here. Kelvin, he's, not tiny. Oh, okay. But he's not like a big kid either, All right. Well, Kelvin is, military man.
Oh, copy.
All right, so pull that back a little bit. Now I'm going to braze that outside of this hole that I'm in. Try to bang that free. And we'll get the new compressor up in there. Let's see what we do. Guys, if you know a better way of changing out compressors in a Trane condenser, please feel free to drop them down in the comment section down below. If not, shut the fuck up. Let me get the other way. Give it a little more fuel. Keep that, get that cherry red. There you go. Like magic. You got it?
Yeah.
If you ain't 100%, then let me do it. Damn, like you got a workout today, huh?
See, I didn't even need those steps.
Did you you have them Wheaties this morning?
Nah, I forgot my oatmeal.
Forgot your oatmeal? Alright, now we're gonna take out these two plugs. Hear that? That means we got a good charge in there. Alright. Should probably be a good idea to clean them leaves out of there, but it's hard to get up in there. Alright, so first we're going to do is move this control wire out of the way so I don't burn that when I braze. Let's move that out of the way. Let's get this thing lined up where it's supposed to be. Get over here, bitch. There we go. Yeah. I gotta tell you something. Ain't nothing like those ream rectangles, like we took out of that house the other day. Right, the compressor's right there in the side compartment. That's one of the only reasons why I love working with ream and putting them in, because you gotta replace the compressor. You don't gotta climb inside of the effing condenser. Woo! But this is a direct replacement compressor. We got ordered it from a Wallwork group, which got bought out by Ferguson. It's the identical compressor. We're gonna clean up those ends right there on the suction and liquid. Suction and liquid. Bolt this thing down, push them in, braze them in, nitrogen test, vacuum, and charge up. Stay tuned.